let's talk about profit. I get asked all the time what my actual profit is from the revenue that I make from my Etsy store. So in today's video, we're gonna do all of the profit breakdowns, showing you where exactly my revenue and my cost of goods are going from each sale. So for the month of December in 2024, so that was just last month, I made in sales $81,000 in Canadian. In my storefront, I did have quite a bit of refunds because there were some issues. This year, there's always extra Q4 issues. I did not spend any money on Etsy ads. I rarely turn on Etsy ads because I don't really find them profitable for my store. So most of my marketing fees were the forced off-site ads, which was $707. Then we have all my listing fees. Most money went towards transaction fees and processing fees, and I didn't get that much on the share and save because I don't run traffic to my Etsy store as well. Everything is very organic, which I love from my Etsy store. And here's a screenshot of my Printify insights. Unfortunately, you can only get Printify insights if you have more than 20 sales a month, but I'm gonna show you another way to grab your COGS or your cost of goods sold, because right now you can see my expenses, and this is currently set to filter by December 2024 and by Etsy, because I also sell on Shopify, which I'll do the breakdown right after this one at the end of this video as well for Shopify. But for Etsy in USD, that's the issue, is Printify Insights shows you only in USD. I want for CAD really badly. I spent $37,497 in total between the production costs and my shipping costs. So what you can do is, if you don't have Printify Insights, is just go to your credit card and then you can filter by the month and filter by all of your Printify charges for that month to get just how much you spent. And that's my quickest way to just figure out my general profit for the month. So if you are Canadian, you probably know that the exchange rate right now between USD and CAD is not great. It's not the hottest thing for us right now. Don't love this fact because it does hurt my profit, because my Etsy is currently marked to Canadian. So my USD keeps fluctuating and my Canadian's worth a little less. But either way, right now at today's current exchange rate, this is $53,000 Canadian, but what it charged my credit card, because over December, we did have different exchange rates and it fluctuated throughout December, I was charged a total of $49,758 for my cost of goods. So in Canadian, my total profit for the month of December was $21,745. And again, if the US dollar was better right now, this would be a little bit higher. I have a feeling going into 2025, I'm gonna be seeing lower profits because of this. December wasn't too bad, but it could have been better. And then the breakdown for my Shopify store. So my net revenue after refunds and everything on Shopify was $32,537. And my Shopify is a little bit better because I did route this one in USD. So my USD price doesn't fluctuate, which I wish is what I did with my Etsy now. But because of that, I am more favorable in terms of the exchange rate. So that is my total for December. My total Printify charges in USD, it's now easier because I have USD to USD, were $19,026. But I do have to factor in my costs for advertising, because with Shopify, you have to drive your own traffic. So on Facebook, I spent $2,825 CAD on my ads. And for Google ads, I spent $2,848 on my Google ads. And every single month on Shopify for my subscription fees and for all the apps that I use, it comes out to 191 Canadian. So putting that all into a spreadsheet for you guys in USD, which is a little confusing because my Etsy was Canadian because it is rooted in Canadian and my Shopify is USD. So confusing. I should all make it one currency. But my total in USD profit was $9,418 for December for just Shopify. So after plugging these all into a spreadsheet, my profit margin for Shopify is 28.9% and my profit margin for Etsy is 26%. 0.8%. But I will say Etsy is a lot less work because I am not paying for ads, testing ads, constantly looking at ads, sending email marketing. It's all a lot more organic. So it makes sense that for Shopify, I have slightly higher profit margin. I charge more on Shopify to make up for that and to be able to afford my ads, versus Etsy is a little bit more passive. Of course, on both though, you're gonna have major customer service, and that's where your time is gonna go towards. If you operate in the US and you do use Printify and Etsy, and and as well Shopify coming soon. You can check out ProfitTree.io, which connects to both Printify and Etsy to actually calculate your profit per order and give you all of this information just within one dashboard, which is going to make it a whole lot easier. Right now, they don't currently work with CAD, so it doesn't really work for me that much. But if you are using USD, then I highly recommend giving this a trial. It does have a free trial to see if this is what you are looking for, if you wanted to quickly track all of your profit. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped, even though it's kind of confusing with all of the conversion rates with me being Canadian and the USD, but with the profit margin, I still hope it helps you aim for that profit margin that's going to make you happy and help you continue running your store. If this helped, if you could please drop a like and subscribe, that would mean so much to me. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next week.